Hacienda de San Antonio, Colima. Among the lush formal gardens sits the majestic Hacienda de San Antonio. The unspoiled natural beauty is nearly eclipsed by the spectacular snow-capped Volcan de Colima rising in the distance. This historically pertinent edifice has a storied past. Discover the wonders of this mountainous region and bask in the eternal spring-like weather. Whether you arrive to enjoy the wide range of outdoor activities or to revive in a classically relaxing atmosphere, the Hacienda becomes the stage for your next Mexican getaway. The amazing on-site restaurant is known for its fine dining and the social center of the Hacienda. There are only 8 suites in total, which makes this a wonderful place for groups, small events, and weddings. There are 5 ground floor superior suites at the Hacienda de San Antonio, each that reflect the rich traditions of Mexico's arts and crafts. Each suite is individually decorated by some of the country's leading artisans, creating unique spaces with their own fascinating stories. Prices start at $810 per night. The 3 grand suites are on the 2nd floor and offer sumptuous, light-filled rooms that are so warm and welcoming that you'll want to order room service and stay in. But that may be a mistake, as this Grand Dam Boutique Hotel beckons your attention. Hacienda de San Antonio is certainly one of Mexico's finest boutique hotels.